little bit here. You do lashes. Here?
So what are you do?
What do you mean why?
I never spray right.
I'll really wear it here. Where's this over here? Where's the like this?
My free the ask.
Ask what?
I never spray like this.
No, clearly you don't see. You don't put it here?
After today I will.
Oh, please, guys. You're really for learn something about here.
But them can use spray and do it.
Yeah.
There's something about a Scorpio and a Sagittarius when they're best friends, and trust me, it ain't easy. But hey guys, what's up? If you are new here, my name is Crystal. This is my YouTube channel, Travel with Crystal, where I share travel vlogs, story time, product reviews, and more. Now today, as you can see, I'm getting my hair laid by my best friend. You don't want to miss this. She is a professional hairstylist, and I will be putting her business page in the description, so you don't want to miss that. If you're an amateur at wig installation like myself, then I hope this video helps you. So the steps that you missed is that we braided my hair back, and then we secured the wig cap with a freeze-it spray. After the cap was secured, then we cut it and added on approximately 4 layers of the lace glue. And as you see, I'm fanning it right here just to help it dry so we could do the other layers. Now once it's dry, cleared, that's when you know that it's time to place your wig. Now here's my best friend. She is just adding some makeup to the lace. Now a lot of persons I know like to tint their lace, but I don't like to tint my lace, so we're just adding makeup. After adding makeup, then she is securing it to the wig cap at the front, and we're just making sure that sits and it don't move, okay? Now, I'm not sure how this works if you're doing it yourself. You probably want to attach one side first and then attach the other side. Now, here she's going in just to clip the lace to make it a bit neater, and she is securing the back. Now, I don't think I need to tell you guys why you need to secure your wig, because you don't want somebody snatching that off your head, okay? So while she's securing the back of my wig, just to make sure it stays on my head, it don't move, we were here vibing to all different kinds of love songs, you know, like I Remember When My Heart Broke. Well, I don't think that's the name of the song, but y'all get the gist. Now, after securing this wig, it was time to brush it out and get to flat ironing the wig. Yes, now this is a straight hair. If you would like the details on my wig vendor, let me know in the comments and I will definitely drop that link, okay? One of the things that I love the most about this hair is that it does not shed a lot. Now I can't take the hairs that shed all over the place. Like, it's crazy. Like, I don't want to see a lot of hair on the floor when I'm finished. But that's my best friend right there, vibing, dancing, enjoying herself while she slayed my hair. Like, we were going somewhere here, so as you see, she just used the wax stick. Now that's the wax stick for hair, so don't be getting that wax stick that you use on your coochie, okay? This is the hair wax stick. Now if you want the exact products, definitely check out the description because I'll be placing them there. Now she's going in at the front, making sure that she get my part straight because I wanted a center part. And guys, this is the most technical part. Well, apart from tweezing to get that hairline natural, the part is essential. Now you need to get your part straight and get it well laid, and this is where the hot comb comes in. While she finished straightening my hair and make sure it's all sleeked, it is time to get that hairline natural. And guys, it is giving scalp. Do you see that? Disclaimer, if you see me making up my face at any point in the video, just know that it's because I'm scared of the hot comb, as well as the tweezing hurts a bit. Now there's gonna be a follow-up video to this because it will be with me in class learning from my bestie because she is having class. So she does teach how to slay your hair yourself. She does one-on-one classes, so make sure to hit her up and tell her that you saw her on her best friend's YouTube channel, which is Crystal. Now stick around for the rest of this video because this is where it gets serious, okay? And if you're here till this point of the video and you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit the subscription button because you don't want to miss another update. Now this is what the hairline looks like before the baby hairs are cut. She is located in Fort Lauderdale, as well as she does pop-up classes in Jamaica from time to time. So it doesn't matter where you are, make sure to hit her up. Now this is how the finished product looks. My line is straight, my hair is slayed, and I am ready to go. Now that's it guys, thanks for watching, bye.
Sound